You can get HTC Wildfire Unlock Code at low price from this HTC Wildfire Unlock Code provider. http HTC Unlock Codes. Products, HTC Wildfire Unlock Code. HTML. As far as I know, free codes does not unlock your phone. So even if you would find an unlock code or whatever, you'd have to spend some money. I would recommend the Unlock Zone. Site is nearly perfect and they were recommended highly in the cell phone forums. I used them to unlock my cell phone. Contacted them and within 30 minutes I had my unlock code and my phone was unlocked. Hope this helps.